Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if any changes has been made in two identical Word files using Microsoft Word. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have one Word file on my desktop home screen as well as on my documents folder. So you can see almost it's the same file name. So let us open it side by side and compare if any changes has been made or not just by using a common procedure firstly. So I have opened the two identical Word files. So you can see on the left side the respective text or words, and on the right side you can see some text or words are missing. But if you're having a very long text or words having a multiple pages, then it might not be easy to sort out what are the changes has been made. So for this, what you can do is just open the Microsoft Word software, and now you can see here review tab. Just click on it, and now you will see here compare option. Just click on it. Just click on this compare. Now just click on this folder icon and select the first Word file, and once again on the other side once again click on this folder icon and select the second Word file. Now just click on OK. Now you can see here on the left side what are the changes or what being added or deleted. You can see here some text were deleted and some symbols were added. So you can see here comparing side by side. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out if any changes has been made in two identical Word files using Microsoft Word very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.